time I get to drive it, I get a bit of a smile on my face. It's probably one of the best cars I've ever driven. So let's get it on the road and let's test and show you guys what this car's all about. What's going on, guys? We're all here, and today we are doing another video. As I've explained in the intro, we are doing a POV drive on this BMW 428i. It's been a one that has been long overdue, and honestly I cannot wait to do this video. It's something I've been wanting to do for ages. This is of course Angie's car. We've got the shopping that I've just picked up in the passenger seat. And yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive. We're gonna take the long way home and show you guys what this car is all about, because it's an absolute beast. If you do enjoy the video, please remember to leave a like down below. It really does help us small channels out. And if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll never miss an upload. Ding dong that notification bell. You'll get a notification every time I post. I'll also leave a link to all my other socials down below, including my vlogging channel, which I really need to get back to. I've been saying that for a while, but we've got a video coming out which should explain why there's been a little bit of a break. First off though, we are going to go on the motorway for a little bit. I don't know how much traffic will be here, because this car, if you put your foot down, it just absolutely flies. I mean, this is in comfort mode as well. It's got 4 different modes. So you've got Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus. We're not going to go in Sport Plus just because we want that traction control on. What's he doing, bro? What a dick. I'm flying up behind me and then got in the wrong lane. What a knobhead. We're going to come in this lane too, because we are going left at this roundabout like we did with the previous one. And this car just absolutely goes. It's so comfy as well. Like, so I'm going to be really honest with you guys. This car we got in around November last year and she needed a new car, and we saw this, we just had to buy it. Like, just how comfortable it is, how good it looks, how quick it is. And yeah, honestly, just gonna avoid this pothole here. Honestly, the state of this car is a joke. So let's talk a little bit about the car while we go on these slightly back roads, I want to say. So this car has 241 horsepower, so it is an absolute beast. 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. It's an absolute joke of a car. But you would think with that, it comes with its downsides with miles per gallon. Now this is only the 2 litre, this is a 428i, so it is the fastest model they do at 2 litres. If you go any higher than that, it goes to the 3 litre versions. I think there's diesel and petrol as well, entering into a 50 now. And look how easy it just picks up speed. But you don't even feel like you're going. That's the dangerous part. Like, you feel like you're cruising still, which is just, it's mind-boggling. So as I was saying with the miles per gallon, now the miles per gallon is decent on this car, especially when you're going on the motorway. On the motorway driving, you get in the mid 50s, it's 55 roughly, and then when you go through the town driving, it does drop to the high 20s, low 30s, but overall it gives you a combined of a mid 40s 0 to 60. Look around here. Now, one feature I do love about this car while we're driving it is the fact you can do automatic, which is what I'm in now, the paddles, which is just so fun to be on. And then also, if I look down here on the gear stick, you can also go up and down on there as well. To open up as we go around this corner like it did with the Mini. I'm just going to brake because it's not my car, so I don't really want to be sending it. But here, look, you put your foot down. And there you go, floors it, and then we'll bring it down. just absolutely takes off. And it's a rear-wheel drive car, but it does stick fairly well, to be fair. I always worry with the rear-wheel drives that it's going to kick out quite easily, but this one is pretty decent. Like, it doesn't kick out that much at all. We've had a couple of occasions where it's caught us off guard, but that's mainly if it's pouring down with rain and we've accelerated a little bit too quickly. You've got to treat them with respect. Try and get around these sticks. But yeah, this car is just so good. He's got to fly around there, Jesus. In terms of where this car thrives, obviously it's going to be cruising on the motorway. It's just got so much power, it sits comfortably, the rev's comfortable at going 70 mile an hour on these long cruises. The comfiness of sitting in the driver's seat is second to none. It's got these nice bucket seats that hold you, as well as obviously the automatic, so if you do get stuck in traffic because there's a crash or whatnot, then it's not too bad. I'm actually gonna go right here. So I'll let you guys into a little bit of a secret. Now, although I've got my Mini and I love it, I have to say this car is the best car I think I've ever driven. Honestly, I cannot express how much I love driving this car, how much it thrives on all terrains. Like I say, be able to switch between the manual and the automatic if you want a bit of fun around country roads, or if you want to just chill and cruise and not have to worry about pushing the clutch in. Yeah, it's got everything really. The boot space is immense. We'll do a proper review on this car at some point. But yeah, the views and stuff is just immense. Which way do I want to go? That's a house. It is this way. Beautiful. In terms of the downsides to this car, do you know what? There's not many. I'm going to be honest. Not many at all where I think that could be a little bit better, or it could improve in this area. The turning circle's not the best, but what do you expect in quite a large coupe car? You know, it's quite long compared to, say, a 2 Series, for example, but you know what you get when you get the 4 Series. Do you know what? I've never actually owned a rear-wheel drive car, but driving this, I actually prefer them, I think, to the front-wheel drive ones, just because it feels like you're being pushed everywhere. It just feels so much smoother. I don't know if it's just the car or if it's rear-wheel drives in general. Like I said, I don't have too much experience with them, but honestly, it feels so much better. I can't describe it. Like, it just feels so smooth, like I'm almost floating. Careful around these bends because cars do fly around here. I have to say, one thing I love about this car is the cockpit. Look how amazing it is. Absolutely unreal. Now we're going to go to my favourite spot to show you the outside of the car, do a little bit of an intro as well. Because we've only been driving for, say, 10 minutes. There's another car coming, so I need to be quite careful. Comfort mode just takes the weight off the springs and it just... Oh, they stopped. Nice. Put it back in sport. Sometimes I park in there to do my reviews. So if I wanted to just cruise, or if I wanted to just absolutely floor it. So quick, and that's me eggs gone. Right, let's pull in here and I'll show you guys the outside. Do this very carefully because it does dip around. Can you believe my place to show off cars is a food bank or a clothing bank? I mean, I take back what I said, the turning circle's not too bad. I don't know what I'm expecting. As you can see, we've got the optional extra cameras and stuff on this as well. So yeah, it is a decent spec car. Look at my hair, by the way, because I haven't got any hat on. I haven't done my hair today. Look how beautiful this car is. Absolutely unbelievable. Like, this car, would you believe that's a 13 plate? Because it looks like a 20 plate to me. I know the new models are obviously a bit different, but look, I'll take that back. I reckon it looks about like an 18 plate, not a 13 plate. It just looks so good. It looks so good. And let me put you guys down, take you off the head. Honestly, it's so cool. My hair's just all over the place. Absolute unreal car. And there you guys have it. That is going to be the review on the BMW 428i. A nice change to the normal hatchback content that we have. It is possibly one of the best coupes on the road, specifically for how old this is. When it looks so new and fresh, you know, you get a personalized number plate on that. It looks like an 18, 19 plate when it's actually a 13 plate. Let me know what you guys thought of the car down in the comments below. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to leave a like down below. It really, really does help us small channels out. And if you're new around here, please remember to hit that subscribe button, ding dong that notification bell, and that way you'll never miss any future uploads. That's going to be it for today, guys. I've done a little bit of a POV video for your faces. I've been Will. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.